Nice, flaky, vegan biscuit. Look at that flake. Ooh, yes, Maxine's Corner. Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxine's Corner. To make the biscuits, what we have in front of us is 3 cups of self-rising flour. Then I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric. Gives it a little color. But keep in mind, everything that you're gonna need as far as this recipe is concerned will be in the description box. I'm gonna mix that around. I have, yes guys, I know, I have 1 stick of vegan butter. This is what the kids want, so mommy's gonna make it for them. Empty your butter in. You can take a pastry cutter if you have one, and then just pretty much just go in there with it. What I am gonna do is I'm just gonna take my hands and I'm just gonna get everything well coated with a nice cold butter. Okay, my healthy people, so this is what it's supposed to look like. But like I said, guys, this is a simple and real easy recipe. You shouldn't have any problems with it. Now I'm going to add my buttermilk. To make my buttermilk, and I have a cup. Once again, everything is going to be in the description box. I'm going to add it very slowly because I may not need the entire cup. So to make my buttermilk, pretty much I have 2 tablespoons of vinegar, just regular white vinegar, and then 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, okay? So, and then you just let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then you see the way it was nice and lumpy. That's exactly what you're looking for. Honestly, you really don't need to be using this spoon. You can just get your hands. I'm just gonna add a little bit more. I didn't use the entire thing, as you may see. Just gonna add a little bit more, okay? These biscuits are gonna be so fluffy and delicious. I can already tell just by looking at this. I can tell. I can tell. I have about 1/4 cups of milk left over. So let's put this up so you guys can see what it looks like. So this is pretty much what my flour looks like right now. Now I could roll them down the river. All right. So let me just go ahead and roll this out. We're gonna roll it like I said, 4 to 5 times. All right. I'm not a professional roller. You're just gonna take it and then just flip it over one more time. I am not a and this is gonna you're gonna get a layer with this. You're gonna take it and you're gonna fold it over, and as you see, as I fold it over, just fold it. Oh, I lose a piece. But anyway, I'm gonna be doing this 3 to 4 times. I think you get the idea, so I don't have to continue to show you. So I'm gonna keep doing this for about 4 to 5 times, and I'll be back. I'll show you exactly what it looks like when I'm done. All right, my healthy people. So here, as you may see, I've rolled it out 3 to 4 times. I also have here some flour, so I can dip this in. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna dip it in some flour like that. My first biscuit, I'm gonna cut like this, all the way in. Okay. Ooh, looks good. Whoop, get up. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And so I'm placing it inside of these. This is my biscuit holder, but you don't need one of these. Okay, my healthy people. So once you've cut out your biscuit, I have some melted butter here, and the butter that I'm using is the Earth Balance vegan butter, and you're just gonna brush it over. Okay, this is just like, here you go, kids. But it's very hard not to want to eat everything. So this is what they look like. I'm gonna put this in the oven, so I'll be back in 10, okay? Okay, my healthy people, these are my biscuits that I just removed from the oven. Don't they look so delicious and yummy? Okay, this is our delicious biscuits we will serve and enjoy Let's just take a look at this nice flaky vegan biscuit. Look at that flake. Ooh, yes, Maxine's Corner. You've done it again. Look at that. I'm gonna go and enjoy this. Oh God, guys. Make these for the kids. They will love them. I am about to have this right now with some jelly. Yes, Maxine's Corner. So delicious, so yummy, perfect for the entire family. My kids love them. Your family will love them as well. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner, guys, today. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up.